Hey guys, so it's day 3 after surgery. There's not that much to update you today. So last night I slept okay. I did wake up every few hours because obviously it is quite uncomfortable to sleep sitting up. So yeah, that's no fun. When I woke up, I could see I still don't think you can see it this light. Or yeah, you can see it's quite dark underneath my eyes still. So yeah, I do have the bruises, but they've gone more yellow today. They're not so black. So hopefully they're getting better and not worse. I don't think much has changed in my nose. It's just, it still feels really tight and stiff around this area. And also my lip too. I still can't really move my upper lip. But yeah, it still feels can't even say the word now, congested. Obviously I've been cleaning out my nose how you're meant to with the hydrogen peroxide and then the ointment, but the ointment cream actually, I think that's what makes you feel quite bugged up because it's quite thick. I can use the nasal spray now, and I did try it, but I feel like it didn't really do much, to be honest. It didn't really feel like it didn't like, it just felt like it still was more bugged up when I put it in, because obviously I can't blow my nose or anything and sniff it, so it just sort of stayed up there and it didn't really actually clean it out properly. So unless I was doing it wrong. So yeah, I didn't really feel like the nasal spray helped for me anyway. It might help you, but it didn't for me. So I do still feel stiff around my face. I don't know if that's just because obviously with the cast is in the middle of my face, everything feels quite stiff. So I've also had a lot of wanting to itch. It does get really itchy around your cast and you can't obviously itch it, which is really frustrating. And obviously when you're thinking about needing to itch, it then becomes more itchier, so it's not great. So food to eat, I would suggest to eat stuff which is soft, like porridge and soup, but I actually did the complete opposite today because my friends came round and they decided to bring me loads of junk food. So I had like cake and crisps and stuff, and to be honest I didn't really enjoy it because, well, how can you if you're breathing out your mouth trying to eat? And obviously the more you chew the more it hurts your nose, so I ate it anyway because I felt like I had to. But yeah, so I'll stick to like soups and porridges, I'd say. I haven't been feeling sick at all, which is good. I haven't needed to take any pain medication like the codeine. I think it's called codeine. So I haven't really been taking any of that. I've still been taking my arnica and what other thing was it? So there's arnica and there's another one which I've still been taking, and also my vitamin C. So yeah, hopefully that will help it. So nothing's really getting worse, and it does seem to be getting more like better. Yeah, it still is quite swollen, but not as bad. So yeah, can't really think of anything else. I did experience actually yesterday, I forgot to mention, it feels like your nose is like throbbing at the end. That might just be like how it's healing. But it did feel like quite a weird pulsing sensation, which felt quite weird. But yeah, and obviously when you do chew and eat, some oozing does come out of your nose, but hopefully that's just normal. It's only happened a few times today, so, but yeah, so I'll update you tomorrow.